Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm with Leon.
Hello, my name is Leon and I'm from Canada, but I live in China because it's kind of hard to make money in Canada. And today now I'm in Thailand for a holiday with my best friend Sarah.
Aww. What are we gonna do today?
We're going to something called like JJ Market.
Today I'm gonna teach Leon how to say some words in Thai and some phrases.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Hello, we're in a Tuk Tuk now and we're going to...
We're in a Tuk Tuk now. You know how
Hello.
to say Tuk Tuk in Thai? You know how to say Tuk Tuk in Thai?
Just Tuk Tuk, isn't it?
Actually, it's Tuk Tuk. The low sound.
Tuk Tuk.
And high tone. Tuk Tuk.
Tuk
Do you like Tuk Tuk rides?
Yeah, when they're not expensive.
When they're not expensive.
Okay, so we're in the... What is this place called?
Or Dtor Gor. We just had lunch.
We just had not really lunch, more like snack and lunch.
Yeah.
It was really good.
I wish we taped what we were eating. There was a whole bunch of.
Yeah, but we were eating. We look ugly when we were eating, so.
We look ugly when we were eating.
Also because
we're gonna take you guys to JJ Market now.
Where is JJ Market anyway?
Follow me. Thank you.
Like literally in China, they would just like not stop. Oh, wait, I have a question. How do you say like milk tea in Thai?
Milk tea.
Yeah.
Cha yen. Oh, you mean Thai style?
Yeah.
Thai style iced tea?
Yeah.
Cha yen. Yen means cold.
Oh.
So it's like cold beverage, basically ice beverage.
Oh. Cha. Oh.
Cha yen.
Cha yen.
You know what yen cha means?
No.
When you swap the syllable,
Yeah.
cha yen to yen cha, it means numb or being different, being
Oh.
cold to someone.
Oh.
Pretty amazing, right?
So you literally just like turn like ice beverage into a cold person.
Yeah. You can say
Okay,
so.
wait. Are we going back on the train?
No, we're gonna cross the street.
Which exit are we going?
Which exit? We're going to exit 2 now.
Oh, where are you going?
We just came from exit 3. Okay, I'm gonna teach you some Thai.
Okay.
How about we start with this phrase? ลดหน่อย ลด high tone ลด
Rot.
หน่อย means little
Noi.
ลดหน่อยได้ไหมลดหน่อยได้ไหม
Loi dan mai club.
Yes. You say the
Lot noi. Dan mai club.
that's good.
Lot noi.
ลดหน่อยได้ไหมครับลดหน่อยได้ไหมครับ
Lot noi dan mai
ค
club.
รับ yeah
Club.
Are you tired? Okay, we're at JJ Market.
Okay.
We're at JJ Market.
Can you hold it now?
What is hungry in Thai? Hungry in Thai is หิว
Hugh.
หิว rising tone หิว
Hugh.
หิวไหม
Hugh mai.
If you're hungry, you say หิว
Hugh.
If you're not hungry, you say ไม่หิว
Oh.
ไม่ is a negative one.
Oh. Wait, where is the bathroom in case?
You want to ask people? You remember how to say where in Thai?
No. T9.
ที่ไหน yeah.
How to say
And
bathroom?
washroom is ห้องน้
T9
ำห้อง
Honam.
น้ำ
Honam T9.
yeah. Or ห้องน้ำอยู่ที่ไหน
Wait,
ห้องน้
Honam.
ำอยู่ที่ไหน
Okay. Honam U T9.
ห้องน้ำอยู่เนี้ยค่ะ
What? What did you say?
ที่ไหนคะ MRT ค่ะ MRT Talking Street
Okay, bathroom time. I don't want to have the trouble of like walking far away and then walking all the way back to the bathroom.
That's Squid Thai you want to try?
No, I don't like squid.
ปลาหมึกเอาปลาหมึก
Oh,
You want ข้าวเหนียวหมูปิ้ง
what's this? What's this? Wait, I only have some.
It's a lot of cheese You want some?
Yeah, I want 2 of these. How much? Is T9 or
เท่า
something?
ไหร่
How like?
20 บาทค่ะเวที
Okay.
เท่าไหร่ครับ
How like the?
20ครับขอบคุณครับ How do you say
Kapung cup. Okay, how do you say selfie in Thai?
Huh?
Selfie.
Selfie.
Just selfie? Oh. Okay, let's see. What's down here? There's a lot of people. Like a bunch of people.
How do you say how much in Thai again? How Thai?
เท่าไหร่ครับ มาชาเท่าไหร่ครับ89 บาทครับโอเค100นะครับ
That looks good.
ชาเขียว
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 อันไหนไม่หวานนะคะ สั่งได้เหรอ You remember how to order in Thai?
Yeah.
What do you say? เอาขอ There's two ways, okay?
Yeah.
This time I want you to say ขอ Just
ขอ
one word. Just one word. ขอ ขอ Say
Okay, what? ขอ
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 Rising tone. ขอ
ขอ What do you want?
I want something light. Okay, let's do Thai tea latte.
ขอชาไทยลาเต้
ครับ
ครับ
Say it again.
ขอ
ขอ
ชาไทยลาเต้ครับ
Yeah.
Okay.
หวานน้อยค่ะ
They were wanting to just walk around outside, but it was too hot.
It was too hot, so we decided to just like get in a mall nearby. It's called JJ Mall. อร่อยไหม Does it taste good?
อร่อย
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก
Is that your favorite?
No, my favorite food is poutine. Well, they don't have poutine.
Poutine. You mean in Vancouver? That's funny. My favorite food is also poutine as well. Especially
You wanna try the chicken?
when you have been drinking a lot. I want to teach you how to ask for a girl's number. How about that in Thai?
Why would I even do that?
Because you're at the age of doing that.
Okay.
later. ขอ you remember that one? Can I have? ขอ yeah, and in Thai telephone number is เบอร์
ขอเบอร์
ขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
ขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ What?
ขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
ขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
Say this คุณสวยจัง
What does that
What's
mean?
that? You're pretty คุณสวยจัง
สวยจัง
ขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
ขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ Oh, you know
ข
what?
อเบอร์หน่อยได้ไหมครับ
Oh yeah, the คุณสวยจัง
No,
จัง
คุณสวยจัง
คุณสวยจัง
ขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
ขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
คุณสวยจัง
คุณสวยจังขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
เบอร์
ขอเบ
ข
อ
อ
ร์
เบอร์
หน่อยครับขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
งั้นคุณสวยจัง
คุณสวยจังขอเบอร์หน่อยครับ
Yeah
I'm gonna use that.
You're gonna use that?
No. I have somebody I like, but it's not in Thailand.
Ooh, who's a lucky girl?
We're at Huai Khwang,
Huai Khwang Station. What are we doing?
going for massage.
Or massage?
Yeah.
You wanna say massage in Thai?
Massage. Nuat.
นวด
Nuat.
Falling tone. นวด Okay,
Nuat.
alright. Let's go.
Let's go. I look at one of those
this
like
place
my
open
hairline's so
for-
hard.
This massage place is open from 4 p.m. all the way to 4 a.m. So
How do you even know the time? You went there at 2
well,
p.m.
I usually go there after the clubs close. Okay, number 4. We have to make a loop over there.
I remember here. Take the shoes off. Do I take my socks off too?
No. รถเท้าค่ะคนนะคะชั่วโมงนะชั่วโมงหนึ่งเปลี่ยนนะคะ So I just say นวดเท้านวด means massage and เท้า means foot นวดเท้า is foot massage 2 ชั่วโมง 2 hours 2 hours
Oh, what is it? Song?
ชั่วโมง
Chomo.
Did we do 1 or 2? 1 right?
1.
1 ชั่วโมง
No, chomo.
1 ชั่วโมง น่ารักจังเลย น่ารัก means cute so the girl just told you that you're cute
Everybody says that.
everybody said that
Yeah.
that's pretty humble bragging
I'm not
น้องเห็น
bragging.
ผู้หญิง
What do you say?
ผู้หญิงเอาผู้ชายหนูเอาดิฉันเอาผู้ชายใช่ so I just requested for male for a boy, yeah. But
you?
Leon prefers a girl to massage him, but I prefer a guy to massage me. ผู้ชายนวดใช่ไหมคะ
ค่ะผู้ชาย
ขอแรงๆนะ
ค่ะกำลัง
นวดหนัก
ค่ะรอประมาณ10 นาทีนะ
ๆ ได้ค่ะได้
ข
ค่ะ
อบคุณค่ะ
โอ้นวดหนัก
หนักๆเลย
ๆ yeah นวดหนักๆ means heavy like pressure heavy massage หนัก means heavy yeah
I'll say ticklish.
จักรจีจักรจี ticklish is จักรจี you wanna say that again จักรจี
Jackaji.
จักรจี
It smells too much of
it's nice well I love massage ชอบนวดมากค่ะซาร่าชอบนวดมาก so Leon if they go too hard then say เจ็บ okay it means I'm hurt เจ็บ
Dip.
เจ็บ
Dip.
not เบเจ็บ
Dip.
yes เจ็บครับ
Sounds.
เจ็บครับ
Dip. Clap.
yes
เจ็บไหมเจ็บไหมครับ
What's that mean?
เจ็บไหมครับ
Dip. May
are you
clap.
hurt
No.
ไม่เจ็บ
May
dip.
dip.
that's good
Probably the only good massage I'm gonna get like in this half of the year.
those are Sarah's feet
Hello. Like Sarah disappeared. Chickadee.
จักรจี
Jackaji.
จักรจี
Jackaji.
ticklish จักรจี
Jackaji. Hurt.
so they're gonna ask you like เจ็บไหม like are you hurt say เจ็บ or ไม่เจ็บ
What's that mean?
เจ็บ means hurts ไม่เจ็บ means doesn't hurt
Okay, my dip.
okay, ไม่เจ็บครับ
My dip club.
that's good don't do that okay what else you want to ask me
How do you say? I have a question. Why does Thailand have so many lady boys?
oh okay
Because every time I ask
don't
someone about
know.
Thailand, the
I
first thing
think-
they talk about is lady boys.
how does it work in China the boys have to join the military too
No, you don't, because there's like I don't know. There's
I
like
love doing that.
one.
that's not very ladylike but I love doing that
Yeah, you're not a lady if you do that. Oh yeah, and China is not like that, but. Wait, can I go to your house?
you want to come
No. I don't want to go to your house. Do you have animals?
no
Oh.
I have gym I have pool
Huh?
I have gym and I have a pool
Huh?
I have a pool
Wait, is it a big house?
condo
Oh, you have a pool.
yeah it's
Look.
a pretty nice condo
Okay, let's go to her house for massage. Let's